Chapter 1, India Size and Location Map Skills. Good morning children. Today let's do the exercise map work. So to do map work, first of all we will prepare index. So you know how to prepare index. First of all you will write their index like this, and then you will prepare it. First of all you will write the question: the island group of India lying in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Then you will give here hyphen and write down the answer. The island group in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, and in Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar. So you will write the question, you will give hyphen and write the answer here. For every question you will do this. Like here, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent, you will give hyphen here and write down India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Then the state through which Tropic of Cancer passes, you will write the name of all eight states. Then the next is the northernmost latitude in degree. It is 37 degrees 6 minute north. You will write here. Then next is the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland in degree, 8 degree 4 minute north. Next question, question number 6, the easternmost longitude. It is 97 degree 25 minute east. Then the westernmost longitude, it is 68 degree 7 minute east. Then the next question, question number 7, the place situated on 3C, you will give hyphen, write the answer Kanyakumari. The strait separating Sri Lanka from India, the answer is Pak Strait. And then you will locate the union territories of India, you will give hyphen and write the name of all union territories. Then question number 10 I have added here, you will show the standard meridian of India. Question number 11, the Tropic of Cancer. Now you will take a map and first of all you give a heading, like I have given here, map based on India size and location. Question number 1 is the island group of India lying in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So let's do it. Island groups lying in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep, and give here question number 1. Then the another is island group lying in Bay of Bengal, like this, question number 1. Next question, question number 2, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent. So first of all I will give the answer number. India, I will give here number 2. Then we have Bangladesh, here I will give number 2. Then we have Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. And if needed you can color them like this. You can only color the boundaries, you should color only the boundaries. You can color it like this. So you can color the map like this, the map showing the Indian subcontinent. You can use any color and you can color like this. You should color only the border line, no need to over color it. The next question is the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. So first of all give the question number 3. This is Tropic of Cancer and it is passing through the 8 states. So just give the number and then we will color the states. We should only color the boundary, just see, don't over color it. In this way we will use the color. In this way you can color all the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Just color the border of these states, and then color. Now color the Tropic of Cancer also like this. The next question, question number 4, is the northernmost latitude in degree. So you will show the degree in this way. This is latitudinal line. You will draw the short latitudinal line, and then you will write over here 37 degree 6 minute north, and you will give here question number, the question number 4. In this way you will do question number 5 and 6 also. You will show the lines, and then you will write this one, and then you will also give the question number. This way you will do question number 5 this way. You will give the line here and write down here the latitude, and then question number in this way, question number 6, question number 7. Then question number 7, a place situated on the 3C. So here is the place, and you will mark over here and write down the name, Kanya, Kanya Kumari, and you will give the question number 7. Next question, question number 8, the state separating Sri Lanka from India. The state is here. You will give point here, and you will write down the name here, Park Strait. Then you give the question number also. Now you will do question number 9. In this question you will have to show the union territory, and you can easily locate the union territory by giving any symbol, just like you can give a dot or anything you like. Next question, question number 10, is to show standard meridian of India. So standard meridian of India passes through 5 states, the UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. So just draw the standard meridian of India. Now your map work will be like this. See your map. It will be like this. So this is your homework. Prepare index and do the map work.